right there.
Ow! Fuck!
What are you doing?
Ow, you're hurting my arms!
On August 17th, 2023, officers with the Tampa International Airport Police responded to a disorderly passenger at the Southwest Airlines counter. The passenger, traveling with her sister from Chicago, had missed her boarding window and was reportedly swearing at airline staff and making threats. From the first exchange, she greets officers with profanity and hostility rather than any attempt to resolve the situation.
Okay,
don't say shit to me! Get the fuck out of my face!
Really? You're gonna go that way? Is that how this is gonna go? Ma'am.
I'm not doing it.
You need to chill out.
I'm chill, y'all.
You're
Please,
screaming.
don't try to make this... Bro,
you need this in jail. You need to relax.
I'm not yelling at you.
You need to relax.
Stop talking to me. I'm not yelling at you. I'm chill. Y'all yelling at me.
Relax.
Bro, stop talking.
Relax. No, bro, you relax.
Stop talking to me.
Relax.
My life. Stop talking
Relax.
to me. I'm cool.
Relax.
Y'all coming up at me, guarding me. I'm cool.
Relax.
I hate when motherfuckers trying to make it like
Is this yours? Relax.
This is mine.
Relax.
I'm cool.
Relax.
I'm cool.
Relax.
The fuck?
Exactly. Relax.
Fuck
Relax.
Out of my face.
Then you need to leave then, ma'am. You hear me? You hear me?
Hello.
Let's go.
Hello.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hello.
Let's go.
Yes.
You gotta go. You can't act like this. You gotta go.
Bro,
you gotta
get
go.
off my back.
Go.
What the fuck?
Go. You know what?
Bro,
we're not gonna play this
cool?
game. We're not gonna play this game. We're not playing this game. No, I'm not playing this game. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely. Absolutely. You want to go for a ride? I got a ride for you.
Relax.
Absolutely. We're gonna take care of you. 3 hots and a cot. You got it.
Hey, on my life. Hey, I'm sorry.
Too late.
Not anymore.
Too late.
Yeah, you grab
There
my
you go.
phone. Right, we trying to make it. Exactly. They got us over sauce in this shit.
Too late. Too late.
I'm not from Tampa. This shit is
Too late.
Bro, you disrespectful as hell.
I'm not disrespectful. You just don't listen. Sandell.
Let's
go.
But that's not disrespectful.
Absolutely not.
You know what it is? Screaming at the top of your lungs, cussing.
Acting like a moron.
Okay, well, I feel like I'm finna pass out. So if I pass out on the count of y'all, this death shit is going on y'all rate.
Here, let's go over here.
You're doing it to yourself.
Damn, let me go. That's what I'm telling y'all. Damn, let me. Bro, my arm is about to pop out of fucking place. Because you're overly aggressing me. That's why I'm telling you.
You're doing it to yourself.
No, I'm not. I'm calm.
You literally are.
Gee, damn.
Relax.
Oh
Relax,
my God, bro. Let me the fuck go. Ooh,
Relax.
this shit hurt, bro.
I told you twice to leave.
Look at
No, I'm not. Y'all are grabbing my arms. That's what I'm telling you. Can you let my arms go, bro?
Nobody's touching your arms.
Bro, you're not touching my arms. You clearly got your fucking arm on me.
I have my arm on the back
But
of
you're
your arm.
still, that's what
I'm going
hurts.
to touch your arm.
I'm
Stand up like
telling
an adult.
Yeah, come
All
on, let's stand up.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Let me
you know
go.
what? We'll just let you be a Baker act. How's that?
Oh, this shit hurt,
Just
bro.
relax.
Oh, this shit. Can you unloosen it some?
No.
That's
I'll
why
fix it. Get up.
Ah!
Let's go. Let's go.
Ouch! Ah!
Oh, you're such a drama queen.
off me.
Drama queen.
Ow! This shit hurts! Ow! Oh, my fucking God!
It's important to note that profanity directed at police is generally protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill. Officers cannot arrest you for your words alone. But when the officer tells her, quote, "then you need to leave," the legal posture of this encounter changes completely. Under Florida Statute 810.08, refusing to leave a structure after a lawful warning from an authorized person is trespass, a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in jail. She refuses. Officers move to custodial arrest, and a second charge is added, resisting an officer without violence.
You don't have to grab my legs. I can walk.
No, you can't.
Ow! Ah!
we go. Here, sit in the chair.
You're hurting me. Bro, can y'all please put my arms in the front?
Nope.
This shit hurts.
Not gonna happen.
You're doing it to yourself.
Bro,
You were walking fine and you dropped to the floor.
Cause it hurts.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. I'm not playing with you.
Ma'am, stand up. Come on.
Lean up.
Bro!
There you go.
There you go. Perfect.
Y'all, I'm finna throw up.
Then throw it.
Can you
okay with
please? Okay,
No.
I'm calm. Can you
No,
please
you're not.
just loosen this a little bit? You doing too much. Can you tell me where she going, sir? I'm sorry.
Orient Road Jail.
Huh?
Orient Road Jail. Hillsborough County's jail.
What's the name of it?
Orient
Orient.
Road Jail.
That's too much. I can't get out of jail. I'm 20. Like, Orient. Just calm down. I'm calm, y'all. I've been calm. I ain't been doing nothing but trying to make it to the flight. Like, this is so frustrating. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. This is frustrating. I'm just trying to make it home. She acting like a fool. I don't know what to do. They said she in jail now. I'm pretty sure you gotta bail out or whatever. I don't got time for this, Maya. She's in Florida jail. Like, we from Chicago. We don't know what to do with her. Mama, what should I do? What should I do? Just please. We missed the flight. The next flight ain't until 5 a.m. They locking her up. She's in jail. She's in oriented jail, Mom. Make me like I'm a drunk black person. I get it. I get it. You be quiet for 1 second. You don't have to yell at me. Stop. Okay? Yeah. Can you tell me where to go so I can get her? I'm sorry.
It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while.
How long?
Process her in a couple hours.
They said it's gonna be a couple hours before they even process her, Mom. So what should I do? Cause I'm by myself, Mom. I don't know what to do. This is too much.
How old is she? How old is
She's
she?
21. I got her purse. I got her purse with me. What should I do?
How are you?
Just wait. Mom, I swear to God, I told this girl that's leaving at 8:30, 10 minutes away. She said he's telling me I'm wrong. Then when we get to the airport, she's screaming to the top of her lungs, Mom.
Hey, Harvey.
I told Mom.
You got her ID?
I swear to God, I told her that, Mom. Mom, I can't control nobody. But listen,
Does she have
listen
an
to
ID?
me,
Do
Mom.
they
I'm
need
not
ID?
leaving. But listen to me, Mom.
That's her purse.
I'm not going.
Yeah.
Need her ID.
Yeah,
We
this
need
is
her
her
ID out of there real quick. That's what I thought.
She has her phone.
I'm sober. That's what I'm telling you. It's not me. I've been sober. That's why I told her let's leave at 8:30 because we don't know Tampa airports, Mom. I told her that. She get into Tampa and she's still acting slow. Like, I'm just trying to get home. I'm not trying to do it. I'm not trying to go through this, Mom. This is a headache. I swear to God. I'm just trying to. I'm sober. Stop telling me to sober up. I'm sober. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. She's the only one fucked up. Like, we've been waiting 20 hours for this flight. Now we gotta wait 10 hours for the next flight. How
do I get her out? That's all I'm trying to.
Well, they gotta give her bail and all that kind of stuff at the jail before you can even think about doing that. So
How
it's gonna
long
be like I
do you
said,
think it's
a couple hours.
Like 5 a.m.
Probably won't be that long. I don't know if she'll get bail tonight though. Probably in the morning.
Gee,
when
cause
before
she
goes
don't
before the
have
judge.
she don't have no control and she acts dumb like this, Maya. She acts dumb.
Here's the question: do you want to get back home?
Yes.
Are you gonna get a hotel for the night and,
No,
and wait on her?
I'm trying to get. I don't have no
Okay, so
money
listen,
for no
listen,
hotel.
listen.
I'm sorry if I'm screaming. I'm trying to stay calm. I'm sorry.
Southwest is not gonna fly you guys.
Who can fly?
Well, that's what I gotta figure out. So give me a minute, talk to your mom, let me figure out who else flies to Midway. You wanna go to Midway or
I don't
O'Hare?
know what to do. I'm
You want
20.
Midway
I'm
or
with my big sister, so I'm depending on her. Like,
You want
I'm not
Midway
trying
or
to-
O'Hare?
Midway or O'Hare, it doesn't matter.
Midway, please.
Midway? Okay.
I can't. I'm gonna follow y'all.
Hey, you can sit right here.
Sit right here?
Yeah, sit right here.
Okay.
Talk to her. Is that your mom?
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, talk to your mom and we're gonna try to figure it out. Okay?
Thank you.
Just do me a favor. Don't yell because.
Okay, I'm sorry.
we'll have
I'm
to
gonna
come
go to the bathroom real quick.
Yeah, you're fine. There's one right there on the left.
Okay, thank you.
Under Florida law, even minor physical acts, tensing, pulling away, going limp, can satisfy the resisting statute when officers are executing a lawful arrest. Notice the contrast with her sister, who stays calm, apologizes, and accepts the officer's help, rebooking her flight. She is treated with courtesy throughout. That contrast is the lesson. Officers respond to the conduct in front of them. Compliance produces compliance. Hostility produces enforcement. Now the grades. The officers receive a B- legally sound work, but the jump from warning to arrest was quick, with limited de-escalation in between. The subject receives a D. A sympathetic situation met with escalation at every turn, transforming a missed flight into a night in jail and a criminal record. Her sister receives a B, a model of how a non-offending family member should carry themselves during a loved one's arrest.